Like a gingerbread house.
Where are you? Are you starting construction?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm going to put chimney on.
You're putting the chimney on?
Yes.
Okay. And Hannah, tell us about your new construction. What are you doing?
I'm eating icing.
So what are we doing now?
Picking out candy.
Waiting in line.
I want to eat the candy. And this is my own bow.
Oh, I see it.
I want some of those.
Get some candy rocks. Kaitlyn, get candy rocks.
Hold on to those. I'll let you jump out, okay? What else?
One and a half.
Ready? What else?
Our construction has begun. Now, what's your plan here, Kaitlyn?
My plan is to about everywhere on the side, bottom, and then I'm going to get some more candy and put, I don't know what they're called, but on it to look like a real.
Oh, cool.
We have each color is a pattern.
Gotcha. What's your plan?
I got the size done.
Let me see. Oh, cool. That's it now, huh?
Now I have to put these on
Okay.
to make the size to put these on.
Very nice.
But let me get them out.
And Hannah, this looks really good.
Right now I finished my wall.
Did you?
I finished my wall. Now I'm on my wall. Well, I'm done with my both sides. Now I'm on my back.
Okay.
I got some more here.
Real quick.
And what side are you on?
Front. Somebody trying to walk in. Somebody said he's going to be allowed to go in the house.
What do you say? Give us a tour.
Other side.
Very cool.
And my back.
Cool. Kaitlyn? She's for candy canes. Ooh, they're
Put yours on
cool.
down my house.
Show me.
This is my doll with the flowers. And I got the sidewalk. I got a Coco. Chocolate trees. And Frosty. Look, it's my favorite kid thing. One on the front. I just did that fun. And Anna has lights on herself. So I saw it come in. She did it perfect. And I made cookies, pretzels, these dolls, and avalanche. And that, you have avalanche, Josie, and Stella.
Gotcha.